Hey guys, and welcome back to Mesha's Corner. I can't speak up too much because I'm not doing so well. And yeah, so we're going to get through this as quickly as possible. This is about to be the easiest, most simple oxtail recipe possible. If you mess this up, you really didn't want to eat this recipe, so let's get started. Here is the basics. I have beef stock, pepper, flour, all-purpose seasoning, um, seasoning salt, but I'm using Keith Lorren's gourmet seasoned sea salt and his gourmet all-purpose seasoning. They're really good, and I want to use them for this recipe, and I'm going to put them how you can get these spices below. I'm also going to use some adobo that I have right here. My vegetables that I'm using so far is my peppers. I have poblano peppers, I have regular orange sweet pepper, onion, and garlic. And yeah, so we're gonna get through this, hopefully with me talking as least as possible. And yeah, let's get started. Alright guys, so my vegetables have been cooking down in some butter for about 5 minutes. If you notice, I didn't mention salt because all of these spices have salt, especially the adobo. So you want to watch your salt. To your vegetables, you're going to add some flour. This is definitely not the Jamaican version of oxtails, so let's not get them mixed up. I have quite a few oxtail recipes, and I'll probably list them all below. You guys can have at it. You want to cook this out for 60 seconds. After your 60 seconds, you're going to add your beef stock right down in there. The whole entire carton. Alright, you see how nice and silky smooth this is? Now you're going to add your black pepper. Remember, really season this because we're not seasoning the oxtail itself. So you really want to make sure your gravy is nice and seasoned. Almost overly seasoned, but not really, because we're not seasoning the oxtail at all. That was the all-purpose seasoning. Now I'm going to add my adobo. Watch your adobo, guys. It's salty. That's why I'm not using any salt in here. I'm probably using a couple tablespoons of each spice. I'm also going to go down in here with his seasoning salt. And is that all four? Yes, that's all four. Mix this up. Make sure you taste it to make sure it's to your liking. Those garlic cloves I have down in here are so nice and big and juicy. My beef stock was definitely unsalted. The beef stock is definitely going to bring a lot of flavor to your oxtails. And of course, oxtails have a lot of flavor themselves. So, alright guys, so these are my oxtails, nice and washed up and ready to go. And all I'm going to do is pour the gravy right down on here and put it right in my pressure cooker. Right there. And that's it. So, just as I said, you're just going to take your gravy. I know a lot of people are judging me right now, but I take the long way every single recipe that I make on here, so I think I'll get a slide for this one. Put it in your pressure cooker or your slow cooker and let it go. Alright guys, so down in here I have potatoes and carrots because that's what I want to do. But you could just make straight up mashed potatoes, but this is mashed potatoes and carrots. Same routine, cream, butter, salt, pepper, maybe a little sour cream, same routine, and this is what I'm serving with my oxtails. Alright guys, classic example, I always tell you guys to taste your food. As you can see, I added more peppers and onions. I also added some more adobo and black pepper because it needed it. And this is after 40 minutes in my pressure cooker, but it's tender, but it's not falling off the bone, and I really want it to fall off the bone, so I'm going to give it another 20 minutes in here, and then I'm going to plate it up and let you guys see what it looks like. Alright guys, so this is what we're looking like. I seasoned it with some more Keith Lorren seasoned sea salt, pepper, and now I'm just going to mash it all together. Alright, so now for the oxtails. Alright guys, so now for the oxtails. I wish y'all could smell how, like, this recipe is so low maintenance. I'm not even tired. And I just got off of a 10-hour shift, so I should be tired, and I'm not even tired because I didn't do much of anything. I'm literally trying to be careful because the oxtail is literally falling off the bone. Look at that gravy. Mmm. 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 Woo. Alright, y'all. So this is what the oxtail looks like. I put some thyme on my mashed potatoes just for presentation. And look how it's just falling apart. It's so tender. It smells so good in here. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. I'm about to try it, y'all. It's crazy because y'all know I'm from the islands. I don't cook no oxtail like this. But I wanted to put up something easy, simple, and fast. Well, not fast, but easy and simple. With such a hard, hard cut of meat. And it worked out. It's delicious. It's perfectly seasoned. It's so good. Well, if y'all try it, take pictures and tag me. Let me know what you think. And I'll see you guys next time on my next video. Bye, guys.